Hello everybody, this is a tutorial on how to make a sweet, warm, deep bass and how to sidechain it. Let's get started. Okay, so first off, I set a filter group for synth right here. Let's add Serum. This is for Serum FL Studios. That's what this tutorial is for. Okay, so first off, for Serum, we activate our sub. We bring it down an octave. Then we go to oscillator A, and we select the analog bass drum sine wave. And we're going to bring that down an octave as well. And then we go to oscillator B, activate that, and introduce a analog bass drum sine wave as well. Also bring that down an octave. Then we're going to bring oscillator B to about 51. And then we're going to use the bend plus minus oscillation or modulation, and I'm just going to bring that to about 50%. And then we're going to bring the phase to about here at about 128 degrees, and then we're going to bring the randomness down to about 24-30%, around there. Let's do 26%. That should be good. Then we need to bring the phase and the randomness down on this. Bring the phase to about here. That's 96 degrees. Okay, and then the filter, make sure that A and B and the sub oscillators are all activated onto the filter. Make sure the filter is activated too. Go to normal, MG low 24, and then just kind of crank it up to about here. That seems pretty good. And then for the attack, we're going to crank that up to about 5 milliseconds. And the release to about 20-30 milliseconds, give or take. 34 milliseconds. And what we should have is one of the best, fullest basses I could create on the fly, real quick like. This is what I do with practically every song I do. So there we go. We got our bass. All right. So now we want to select a mixer channel. The quickest, easiest way to set it to a mixer channel is to hit Control L while on this window on the channel rack. Make sure this little square is green like this, okay? And then hit Control L. And as you can see, it set it to the first channel mixer channel, okay? And now we go. Oh, why did it do that? Why did it just set the synths? I selected synths. Okay. Oh, now it's just showing all. Okay. Let's go ahead and delete this. So now let's add a filter group. Percussion. And let's get ourselves a kick. There's a good kick. Bickety bam. There we go. Do the same thing here. Control L. And now we're set to mixer channel 2. Now from here, for our sidechain, what we want to do is right-click on Serum, the first channel mixer, where our Serum preset, our Serum baseline is, okay? Right-click, select Sidechain to this track. Let's go ahead and make our kick loop here. So we got a kick. Just go ahead and throw it in here. Let's bring it down to like 128 for the beat, for the tempo. That's good, yeah. All right, so that's our usual go-to EDM sort of tempo. All right, now for pattern 2, let's just do our bass line. That's a good note right there. How about that? All right, and then we just kind of add this to here. And then for Serum, now you'll notice that when we're playing this, there's no sidechain. That's to be expected because the sidechain's not activated yet. It is sidechained to Serum on its mixer channel, but it's not sidechained yet, if that makes any sense. So what we need to do is get Fruity Limiter, hit compression, then use the scroll wheel on your mouse and scroll up to sidechain 1. Then just crank that threshold down and that ratio up, and we should get this. There you go. And you could tweak it, you could change it all you want. But just be aware that if you mess with the release and the sustain, you could mess it up a little bit, as in the sound will not be that great. Just keep that in mind when you're doing this stuff. The biggest stuff you want to change is the knee, the threshold, and the ratio. So the knee brings it up so it's not so intense. And then you can also make it to where it's really intense. I usually just keep it right about in the middle. And that's how you do it. That is the best way I know of to just set up a good sidechain with a simple sub bass. That's the best way that I can show you guys. The simplest, quickest way I can show you guys how to do that. Anyway, thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.